Hi everyone, and especially to you that's watching this video. Okay, this is just a short update on the progress of the dollhouse, although there's not much progress. Um, with that, I just want to apologize because I wasn't so constant with the uploading of my videos over the past few weeks. So I apologize for that. But if I can maybe give my reasons, first of all, my husband was on leave, and also I'm going to be a grandmother of two little babies, and so I was busy with crocheting and knitting for the two little ones that's coming, and the one actually decided to surprise us not once but twice. We all thought it was going to be a boy, so Oma was wrong. She decided, she said, Pewe, I'm not a boy, I'm a little girl. So I had to crochet and knitting for her. And then she decided to surprise us a second time, and she came 2 weeks before her due date. So I'm a happy, proud grandmother now of a beautiful little baby girl. She's so tiny and so beautiful. So yeah, all that. So the dollhouse had to stand for some time because she's everything that counts for me now. And I still have my little other grandbaby that's coming, and there I was also wrong. I thought that was going to be girl, but that's going to be the boy. So they just changed around. So we have a little baby girl now, and the baby boy is on his way. So I'm still busy with crocheting and knitting, but I've decided I must put my dollhouse in here somewhere. So I'm back. I'm going to start with the dollhouse now again. I told you last time about the roof, the big box I got, for a TV box I got, but this one was a bit just too small, and now I had this two folds in here, and that's not going to work for me because it makes the roof lay a bit down. But then luckily, some of our friends also bought a big TV, and they gave me this big box. If I can maybe just show you, they gave me this big box, and that one is big enough, long enough to fit for this floor here. So I can use the two sides, because I'm going to need three ceilings. So I'm going to use this two big box for the ceiling here there now, and then because of the weight, I thought it will be better. And then this one with the folding, I will use on the top level when I that up, because then the weight won't be so much on that one. So yeah, so I'm going to start with that. And I found this in that box was this, I don't know, but it was somewhere on the TV itself, maybe to protect it for something, but it's plastic. So I'm definitely going to use this. And I was actually thinking of maybe use it like when I bought an extra two-bedroom apartment on this house here. I think of maybe put a little like a balcony, and use this for the sides of the balcony, because it's plastic, so I can actually really use it. And so there's two of them in the box. So yeah, and then I'm gonna finish now with the ceiling first, and then I will start on the second floor, well, on the outside walls again, before I go into the inside and fix the windows and everything on the outside. And I've decided that I am not going to make this windows to open, because there's no need for that, and it's really so much more work. I'm going to stay with the windows that just looked like it. I'm going to put stuff so it can look like it's open, but I'm not going to make it like it can open. And then I will also first outside and then the inside. And now I'm also going to start to make clothes for the daughter, the teenage daughter, because she doesn't have any clothes. So I'm going to do those two, the ceiling and clothes for the teenage daughter. So yeah, I'm back, and then please keep on watching. Bye.